Good morning, everybody. Mm. Hope everyone's having a good weekend. We had a very good dip. There was a well. There was a well open a big position on a Bitcoin short. And I didn't see many people. I didn't see many groups, trading groups, talking about shorting Bitcoin. I I entered a short on Bitcoin, and then we noticed that Bitcoin dropped down, right? And then after it dropped down, it came up for another triple top. So we had a triple top and then a triple top. Come on, guys. Come on. Triple top followed by triple top. What do you think is going to happen? Completely bearish. I was losing my ETH long because I didn't take profits when it spiked up. I didn't take profits when ETH spiked up. So I did a long here, average long here. ETH is in a better position than Bitcoin on that weekly chart. We had a head and shoulder for UFD, but we also had double bottom. The double bottom was very close to playing out before the head and shoulder played out. We already hit the head and shoulder area. I know the trading view says failed, but it just took a little bit more time. So I bought some at 5.43. I also added some more UFD today, 5.03. And I'm just zooming out these charts, trying to get some information to the Discord about these charts, the way things have been going over the past 20 hours on the screen here. Cool thing about my trading style, I don't have to be here for 20 hours. I could modify it, but yeah. So just zooming out these charts, and then it's same thing. I'll do the same thing for YouTube for the other charts as well. On the Discord though, what people say on Discord, if you're in the Discord and you click the word click Screenbot, you can see this live chart. This live chart will be the BNB chart and everything people are watching. So it's going to be this chart that you're about to see right here. So this is that chart that people are seeing on the Discord. But yeah, we had some look at Cardano from 75 cents to 70 cents. And that was a big drop down. Over 6% from the red block to the green block. So this is what we're seeing. What is this? This is a very good chart though. But yeah, this is what we're seeing over here. Let me go back over here though. Let me zoom this back in case we need to check it out later. But yeah, that was our performance. This was my Bitcoin short. The short that I closed, it was pretty good profits. Not the maximum profits. I didn't close it at the peak bottom there. But I did notify Discord when I closed it and where I closed it with this chart as well. Well, the chart was in the chart channel right here. This is where I closed the Bitcoin short. If you can't see these images on Discord, all you gotta do is click it and zoom, or just open in a window, open the full version. We saw this dope broke out yesterday. Dope broke out up to like 0.005. is a major run. That still may get some tractions today. And then I shared in Discord that a dollar cost average into my ETH long. So now my average entry price 1894.54. And I can't get it much lower unless the price goes much lower, because even adding here, like, it's not it's not much lower. So that's the situation there. And I'll zoom in here for my UFD chart, show where I bought more UFD. Look at this wick down of 4.8 cents here. So just adding more UFD on the spot on the wallets was something I thought would be good use for my profits.
I also felt it necessary to add UFD at 5 cents.
Yeah, 5 cents is that sweet spot for me. 5 cents is still half of 10 cents in my mind. So I'll take it. What do you think? UFD can go back to 10 cents within a month? I think within 1 month, when we start getting those tax returns and stuff, some of the really cool meme coins like UFD start getting the pumps again.
Did you hear that?
Elon on Twitter yesterday did some crazy stuff with that dope coin. Someone made dope. Some guy made dope, and then 12 minutes later, Elon did a dope tweet, which is so funny. And then it ran. But yeah, so today, let me show you some of these levels as well. Show you about these trades. I did fix the connection issue where the charts go in and out on TradingView. There was a cache bug where the charts would sometimes go in and then go back out. That doesn't happen anymore. Or if it does, it would be like once a month rather than once every day. What's hmm. So looking here on Bitcoin, at the top of these liquidations, we have 87,833. I'll add that over here. I'll take this and screenshots, put in Discord. 87,621. This is just top of the liquidations on shorts. But you guys, if you're in YouTube, just I'll give you a moment to take a screenshot as well. So you, when I get done, take a screenshot. 18.38. And then Ethereum. So Ethereum does have a short-term bear flag, but the bear flag still liquidation only go down to like 1,800. So we have 2,009 on that top side. And then these are liquidation targets. I know UFD probably has liquidations back up here to 5.5 cents. Let me all right, take a picture if you're not in the Discord. If you're in the Discord, go to the chart channel for this chart. So if you're in the Discord, check the charts channel. If you're not in the Discord, well, you might want to join Discord or screenshot. All right, let's go to BNB, XRP, Cardano, and Litecoin as well. Those same charts. So 644, rounded to 645. Wick. XRP goes to 250 again. That's interesting. Litecoin goes, it's under $100 now for those liquidations at 96. I like having these four charts together. I like these four charts together. They're really nice together. All right, got these charts as well. Take a moment, take a screenshot if you're not in the Discord. Give you a few seconds, and I'm gonna roll it over to another levels. All right, you guys should be good. I hope. That is plenty of time to take a screenshot. We're gonna go back over here for Bitcoin chart, Dogecoin, Ethereum, and Unicorn Fart Dust. What do we know about Unicorn Fart Dust? It was oversold twice, but price made a lower low on the second RSI. RSI is higher. So what does this represent? This is bullish divergence right here. Let me zoom in over here. I'll draw that out for you. So if you notice right here, the RSI is higher, but the price is lower. And that's one reason why I added more as well. So we're gonna add a note here. Lower price, higher RSI equals bullish divergence. That's all this is. This is bullish divergence right here. And this is for the unicorn fart dust chart. And this is why I bought more, and that's the logic of buying. And yep, I'll throw this one in the chart channel as well. And you guys want to do something fun, right? I can go to Grok as well. I can drag that same chart. And then I can drag that chart into Grok, right? And then I can ask Grok as well. I can say, hey, Grok, is this chart really bullish divergence? So let me pull that up for you guys as well. Like anytime you guys got a question, you can ask your AI. So right here, I said, Grok, is this chart really bullish divergence? Yeah. I just threw it in there right after I showed you guys. You can see over here. I said, and it says, right here at the very bottom, based on this analysis, the chart does appear to exhibit bullish divergence as the price has made a lower low while the RSI has made a higher low. That's the only thing you really need here. A classic sign of weakening bearish momentum. However, the reliability of this signal depends on other factors such as volume, trend confirmation, and broader market context, which aren't fully visible here. So yeah, this was and then I'm gonna add reply. But yeah, it's pretty cool that Grok can even recognize this as well. So, but like I've been trading bullish divergence for a long time, so it's very easy. Down, up, down, up, price down, RSI up. It's that simple. It's some people get it confused. They can't wrap their brains around it. They can't wrap their brains around it. I understand that. But yeah. So, yep. Mm. All right, guys. Let's go back over here. Zoom this one back out. Put it on par with the other charts. One thing that we did notice though, right after the green block, like we are getting overbought in the 5 minutes. And yes, we are overbought in 5 minutes, but if you zoom out to the hourly or the 4 hour and look at the RSI right here for Doge and Bitcoin, the 4 hour may be a little bit of that bullish divergence as well. We already know the price is lower and the RSI is higher. So we may be getting bullish divergence on those bigger time frames for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge. Cool thing about these charts, we can see so many different patterns and stuff. You can literally trade almost all these charts because A, they have volume, B, there's liquidity, and right now for C, we have a lot of patterns. Mm. So I'm going to see how these trades play out today. They're not at the absolute best entries. These are okay entries, but some of the technicals are getting that bullish divergence across the board, especially in the 4 hour RSI levels, could create a very big uptrend. It's not like a breakout zone, it's more of a reversal. The breakout zone, those are when people go broke sometimes if they're not breaking out. The reversal, those are okay trades. I took the okay trade. I took the boring trade. I think so on Anomaly. I have the camp charts up. Yeah, if someone wants to do like a little bit deeper dive, I have the camp charts. The camp charts playlist. I'll share a video and then you can get the rest from the playlist. And these are free. Like this playlist is free, the camp charts thing. I've had a lot of people tell me they sat down, they watched all the videos, and these patterns really helped them. And I took my time for those videos. One video was like 2 hours, 30 minutes. The other video was 2 hours, uh, 3 hours, 2 hours. So I took some time out in the summer. Sorry, not summer exactly. 8 months ago in America, and did some videos. And in those videos, like there's another Discord that's really hating on me for shorting Bitcoin at 70K. But those guys don't show you that we went down to 49K. They leave that part out. They pretend like 49K never happened. They pretend like my take profits never happened. But if you look here in the videos, like this was on day 4 of the account charts right here. How to use the charts for maximum profits. And if you look in my old video on this camp charts, when we shorted Bitcoin above 70K, right? It came all the way down to 49K. Came all the way down to 49K, and look at the RSI. RSI was overbought, and then double topped RSI for that second time on that 70K short before we came all the way down to 49K. And we hit the targets. We hit the targets, which is very important. So I was expecting 40K, but the target's hit at 49K, so it was still a win in my opinion. It was better than buying at 70K, riding dip all the way down to 49K. That would have sucked. And one thing you notice there, I do have another indicator on this chart, which is the bullish and bearish divergence. So when we went from bullish to bearish divergence is literally within the first few daily candles. So people had 1, 2, 3, 4 days. People had 4 good days of getting out of their Bitcoin longs and going short. This is when we had that mass exodus from the Discord. But everything's recorded. Everything is recorded 100%. The only problem is everything's just so long to play back. And boring to play back, but if you want to play it back, go there, play it back. Now, the videos are good, in my opinion. And I had arguments with people as well on some days, like, would you go long here? Would you go long? Would you short? Like, it's pretty bad. I bought some dope earlier. Let me, I gotta get that transaction. This is around the price, though. Let me see real quick. I'm just gonna take a quick screenshot over here real quick. This one might be risky. Don't copy me on the risky ones. Like, you might get wrecked. You might get wrecked. Trying to get the screenshot. The volume has fallen off. Just in case Exchange start listing it. I'm not saying that they will list it, but just in case Exchanges start listing it. I've been watching this one, and I think this will be where I want to buy it really heavily. Share entries. So I put the screenshot here in the Discord for that entry. Yeah, I was watching this chart. I was like, okay, it dipped down. I'll do an entry. And I put that entry of that chart in the Discord for that dope that the Department of Propaganda everywhere. I saw it went up a lot, came back down. I was like, I'll buy it here. If you guys interested, I can possibly pop that up for you guys on YouTube, but yeah, we can pop it up. I was watching it for yesterday. So this is where I bought it, and this is what happened to this thing. So it came up here, it hit a double top after it came back. Oh, actually, that's the double top. You can actually see the line there. Guys, double top. Double top has been one of the most played out technicals I've seen on this YouTube. And this was the area where I thought it was going to do a breakout. So we went to the breakout area, and then we ran all the way to double top. That was a 30% run. So that was a 30% run into a double top. And now we come down, and then this is where I buy. This could be foolish. If the exchanges don't adopt this thing, if they don't start buying this thing, this would be a very foolish trade. This would be a very foolish trade, I will say. So just because it did a double top, hit that area. Because if it didn't hit the double top, I would be a little bit less confident today. If it just went here, here, and came down without a breakout, without a double top, I would not touch this coin today. But because of where it did it, it gives me this nice downtrend as well that I could draw. Very sharp downtrend. The sharper the downtrend, the higher probability of breaking that downtrend. I was like, okay, I'll buy this one. So this morning I looked at this. I'm just buying it. I don't have a lot, but I'm buying it. And if it goes up, great. I'll be happy. And this is, I think, 2 days old because I've been watching this since the moment it came out. There is rumor. Someone put a rumor out that they linked some of my other wallets. So someone found one of my wallet where I put $100,000 in this when it was 5 minutes old. But I didn't tell the Discord or other people that I bought this because it's so risky. And there's lots of DGen plays that I will do that I won't share because they're so risky. But right now, that risk factor already came down because A, some exchanges already rumored to list it. B, it's been out long enough and it's already down back at the area low bottoms. I bought it when I was just searching on the because I have a coin as well, the Barack Obama DOGE. And then I saw this guy made a dope Department of Government Propaganda. And within the first 3 minutes, I already bought it. Within the first 3 minutes, I bought it like down here on that wallet where I put the original buys started. And then like right here, within 12 minutes, I don't know why, 5, 10, like on this candle right here, the Elon tweet. So we already had the Elon tweet come out after the buys, which was very weird I didn't know Elon was even going to tweet about this type of coin. So some people just buy the coins because they think maybe Elon will tweet about them. I think this coin though, like it has that potential to break out of the downtrend. If we get out of the downtrend, if we retest the triple top, I think a triple top isn't the worst area to take profits. But some people are going to be greedy because the market cap's still under 2 million. If we go to this area, the market cap's about 5 million. Some people are going to try to squeeze this until $40 to $50 million on that market for the Department of Propaganda everywhere. If you guys want, I'll drop that contract address in the YouTube chat as well. For full disclosure, full like transparency, I am up very heavily in profits. I have a significant position. Even though I did move it into 10 wallets, I have a significant position. So if this thing does go up, I would probably dump it. So you guys have to be careful. I will, when I take profits on this, I will not tell you guys. Probably won't tell you guys on YouTube. You're going to be late. If you're not in a Discord, and I'm not telling you before either, because I don't like it when people front run me. After I close it, that's when I will disclose it to the Discord. And that will be in the Show Off Your Profits channel. But until then, like, right here for this scalping right here, it's is what it is. This is bouncing. And I'm not encouraging anybody to copy me either. I'm just doing this trade because this is the public entry right here. We're going to come back and check on this later. For now, I want to go over here and check on, well, this crypto is not moving. So here's the thing. When Bitcoin, Doge, Ethereum aren't moving, the meme coins, people go for the meme coins. People like to go for the meme coins. So I guess this is like the only thing really getting that volume and movement right here is the dope Department of Propaganda everywhere. So we can watch this for a little bit. I mean, if you guys are on Discord, you can watch the BNB XRP Cardano Litecoin on the Screenbot chart. If this token starts running today, though, on the exchange listings or stuff, I mean, it would be big profits for me. If you want to, what you could do, guys, if you want to, you could write this down on paper. You can paper trade it. You could do a paper trade entry. Pretend like you're trading it. I mean, it's already at 1.001622. Not bad. I think the debt screener is a little bit slow, though. I think the CoinGecko terminal is going to be a little bit faster. But the cool thing here, I like the font for the size of the buys and sells. And I'm trying to watch the volume pick up. So we are getting increased price, but the volume is not picking up yet. If I see a giant green candle, that would be confirmation for what I'm waiting for. We get that giant green candle. Woo. I'm looking for a green volume candle, to be specific. I'm looking for a candle that's more than $100,000. That's what I would need. Anything bigger than that on a green candle for 100,000 or more, that would be good for us. Let's do a YouTube poll. I don't even know if people even own this thing. I had 4 people message me about it. 4 people, only 4 people messaged me about this thing. So There we go. There we go. 33K volume. We're getting there. That's like 33% of the one I want. I want to see a candle over $100,000 volume. Wow. I mean, I am printing. I am printing. Let's see how this runs. If we can get over $100,000 volume candle on like a 5-minute or a 1-minute candle, people will go crazy. That's the type of volume this thing needs right now. It broke 0017. I'll take it. It started uptrending very strongly after my public entry. Yeah, this thing is doing. Yeah, if exchanges start listing this thing from here after it's been in a downtrend for hours from a double top, after it went down 70% over 10 hours, that would be better than listing it at the very top, I imagine. I mean, where I bought it seemed logical, right? Where I bought it seems a little bit more logical. Oops, sorry for that loud noise. So I got my entry already earlier. Shared with the Discord my entry. So we see the price is up pretty significant from that entry. Did I wake up? Did I literally wake up and find the bottom on dope? And did Elon start tweeting after I bought dope again? Look at this, guys. Elon's on Twitter. He says the public. Wow. Wow. What a time. I wake up this morning. I come in nice and all on the charts. I look at dope. I find like the peak bottom. I find like the peak bottom of dope down here almost. And then within like minutes of me buying, this is what I see on Twitter. Elon Musk doing these tweets. These types of tweets. Come on, Elon. Wow. So yeah, Elon's active on Twitter. within minutes of me buying dope. So we'll see how this thing goes. I think I feel very good about my entry. And even if I did not feel good right now, I could sell for pretty significant profits. That's how it is this morning. Wow, look at this thing go. What another good win. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. The people like it, apparently. Apparently they like it. Let's go back over here, check on our friend Bitcoin. We are getting a little bit uptrend. I closed the Bitcoin short earlier, 82,864. The price is up over here almost 0.5% from that area. That would have been a lot of profits washed away if I didn't close my short. And then I dollar cost average onto an Ethereum long for an average of 1894. Right here, I'm at break even. We have bullish divergence on Unicorn Fart Dust this morning. Unicorn Fart. Oh, Doge also bullish divergence, by the way. I guess I'll add that on the chart too for you guys. Right here. Right here, bullish divergence. So Doge, Unicorn Fart Dust. Bullish divergence. I got a good entry into dope earlier. I'll take it. The entry on dope earlier was pretty good compared to the current price. Woke up and took profits. Took profits on a Bitcoin short, rolled profits to Ethereum long to dollar cost average. On my Phantom, bought some Department of propaganda everywhere. Yep, feels good. Feels good. So we're going to uptrend on these coins. Let's go back and check on my Department of Propaganda everywhere. There we go. This thing is running. Am I a beast or what? Jesus Christ. How much am I up right now? I'm up 31%. Woke up 31% on the spot trade already. And there goes a 50,000 volume candle. Someone put 50,000 volume candle right there. 34,000, 38. Volume is kind of getting up over here. The price going too fast, almost. Look at that thing. I'll have to put it up here because pretty soon this price will be off the screen once more crypto Twitter people find this thing. We were some of the first people to find the dip early this morning. Some of the first people to buy the dip early this morning. 100% you guys don't own it? Wow. I said, do you guys own any dope? 100% said no. Jeez. Okay. Okay, that's fine. That's hilarious. That is wild. I didn't expect 100% of you guys to not have this. I thought at least one of you guys would be degen and have this coin. I thought you guys liked degen stuff. I thought you guys liked this type of stuff. Maybe I misunderstood you guys. I thought you guys would have found this before me and got this before me. Who knows? Wow. This thing is crazy to watch. It's not on there. It's not on exchanges yet, Lily. This is what early's about. We're early. We're the early birds. This is a great. This is a great. You know what's even better? You know what's even better? Before this coin came out, I made Barack Obama Doge. I made Barack Obama Doge as well before this came out. I'll put that contract in the chat. You can look at it. Maybe eventually Barack Obama Doge. That dog could be the logo. Elon does so many tweets though. I feel like if he didn't tweet that much after he did like a tweet like this, the chart would get more focus. But when people have to scroll through his page to actually see those types of tweets, I think it falls off a little bit faster. Oh, actually, this is a cat. I think it's a cat in the image. But the fact that they did this, and so let me show you guys. You guys might not know what I'm talking about. You might not understand the circumstances. let me show you the circumstances here. So this is what happened. This is what happened. Why this coin's pumping. This was Elon Musk's tweet. Department of Propaganda. He made this tweet. And I put this as well. I think they have Barack Obama DOGE. Because this coin was technically made before this coin, Department of Propaganda Everywhere. And then this coin, Dope, was made a little bit later. With a private group made this one. If you're not in that private group, well, loyalty pays. Loyalty pays. We'll say that on the charts here. Look how far it's up already. For me catching the dip, for me waking up and catching a dip on this thing, it's up over 30%. Already went over 49%. And we're just getting a lot of green volume. There goes the 72K candle. I'm waiting for 100,000 candle. I know there's going to be a candle, 100,000. I already had a vision that we're going to get a giant green candle over $100,000 volume on a 5-minute. That's why I'm watching these candles so precisely. I know that it's coming. $17 votes, only 6% yes on owning dope. My God. You can bring a horse to water, but you can't force it to drink the water. Look at that breakout. We broke the twos. Man, what a good morning. What a good morning. The loyalty will be rewarded. The price of this thing is pumping. Pumpamentals. What we call it, right? Pumpamentals. Look at that. I bought the dip and now I'm rewarded. It was that simple. It sounds simple, right? But no, it wasn't that simple. I literally watched this thing for over 12 hours. I had to watch this thing for over 12 hours to even find the entry. I didn't look over this for like a minute. No, I even put in the Discord when I started watching this chart. And then after, like when I started watching Unicorn Fart Dust, in a very short time I bought Unicorn Fart Dust. But for this chart, I didn't buy it right after I started watching it. I was like, I wait until early on this morning to buy this thing on the dip. This thing is going. This thing is going. This thing, oh my God. Look at it. This is where it's at. Sorry my camera's not on. I'm like messy right now. I look a mess. Got food on my shirt. Didn't shower, didn't sleep. Good. I look like a mess. But I did get a trade where the price is up 30%, so there is that. Dope. Department. Elon made this meme coin pump. Like, these are really good signals, right? Like, let me show you guys again. Do I still have that tweet up here? Right here, look at this. Elon, look at that Elon tweet. This Elon tweet is why we're up. So that Elon tweet, wow. That Elon tweet initially gave this thing life. So this is it. This is the trade. This is how it's going. Man. What a tweet by Elon, though. Let me tell you. In the world of crypto. Woo. Let me go over here, though. Because we are pumping on the other charts here. Yeah? We are pumping on the other charts here. Yeah, let's see how my green blocks are performing. I'm curious. Are you guys curious? What do you think? Are you curious how my green blocks are performing on Bitcoin over here? Oh, wow. What a surprise. Totally surprised by this one over here. I totally did not see this bullish divergence breaking out and giving us this big uptrend. Huh. I closed my Bitcoin short earlier because the technicals fit precisely that this was going to happen. I bought more USD because precisely this had potential to happen. I averaged up on my Ethereum long because precisely this could have happened. This is not luck. This is hard work. It takes hard work to do this shit. Not randomly just drawing lines on your charts, praying. You guys, they're going to get them. And let's see the other side. Let's see this Cardano Litecoin XRP. And I even gave you guys like the top side as well for those liquidations if you are actually really interested. Yeah, this is huge performance. What a day of winning. What a day of winning. I like it. I like what I see here. You said we finding the pot of gold tonight. You don't have to wait until tonight. It's already here. The gold's already here. We already got it. We already got the fundamentals. You're good. You're good. You could have taken profits in the first hour. You're good now. Talking about tonight, lunchtime. You already found the pot of gold before lunch. Let's see how Dope is doing though. Okay. Dope is up here too. Wow. What a day. What a fucking day. These charts. Look at this. Look at this. Department of Propaganda everywhere. From that buy I did earlier until here. We're up like 36%. Jesus Christ. 36%. My unicorn fart dust bag getting some love today. My ETH long that I averaged down on is uptrending quite nicely. This is it. You guys want me to give you another one? Look at this. Look at this beautiful chart here. I know you want it. I'll do it and then I'll give it to you. Hold on. Let me make a message. Let me text someone for assistance here. If you're in Discord, I'm about to share another intro with you guys on Discord. And if you're not on Discord, I'll share the intro with you guys here on the second on YouTube. Sorry, I have to show everything because people like to lie, so I have everything in screenshot. So I went long on Doge, 17082. And if you don't believe me, the screenshots here in the Discord as well, timestamped. Entry price, 17087. I put a typo. This is a 2, should be a 7. But that's my long on Doge. When I take profit on like these future plays like Doge long, ETH long, like I did with the Bitcoin short earlier, I share in the Discord. For example, the Bitcoin short, it looked like this earlier. This is when I closed it at 84,322 is my entry. My close price 82,864. Profit 691%. I even had a chart down there as well. And just me closing the Bitcoin short, that's the area where we started getting this major reversal today. So and then we're gonna get people to come in YouTube chat later on and say, Tame, win 40K. But they're missing all these trade signals in between there. Because it's not straight down to 40K. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. We get a lot of volatility. And then one day, that big potential risk of 40K could happen, and then everybody's getting liquidated and crying. That's it for Daddy Tame. Daddy Tame not going to get liquidated. I will not have a liquidation price on a Bitcoin long at 40K or above. I will not be liquidated. The only time I will get liquidated is when I go to your mom's house. I won't be liquidated any other time. this is a good uptrend. My Doge long is printing a little bit here, I will say. If you guys want to try out wheat futures and don't even want to deposit money, you can use this link here. If you do your email and your phone number for the backups, I think you get about 10 USDT. That would be pretty good for you to just practice with. So I'll put that link in the chat below if you want to try it out for free. Like, you don't even have to deposit. You just have to put your phone number and your email for the backup, secure your accounts. I think we are getting a little bit of green today. I think we made a very good play, and also the charts here, I think they're doing quite well. Quite well. And because of Elon, that's why most of us are still trading Dogecoin, right? Elon really made Dogecoin pump from his early initial tweets back in the days in 2020, 2021. Gave us the all-time high. In between there, a few catalysts gave us like some good price momentum as well. I went long on Doge today. I closed my Bitcoin short. I added to the ETH long. We've had a very good morning so far. A very good morning so far, I must say. I'm happy about it.